Every day, thousands of workers in construction, demolition, and renovation projects rely on Atlas Copco products and services. Reliability and productivity are key factors as your time is precious and your deadlines are tight. When conditions are tough, you need a partner you can trust. Atlas Copco Power Technique provides first-class service. As your solutions provider, we take care of your equipment during its entire lifespan while minimizing your cost of ownership. Our mission is to ensure your equipment runs with the highest level of productivity, minimized operational costs, and increased residual value through all service stages. Your service journey starts with preventative maintenance. The importance of using genuine parts and services is well known for reducing downtime and increasing product lifetime. But at Atlas Copco, we go one step beyond. We reward all customers who maintain their units at the recommended service intervals with Atlas Copco genuine parts and lubricants. By simply scanning the QR code on your machine through PowerConnect, you can find part books, order spare parts, and register for the Atlas Copco Plus program to validate your 3-year warranty. You can also view the upcoming service requirements based on running hours and status through our connectivity solution called FleetLink. We understand service speed and quality translates into uptime, growth, and profit for you. We have 6 service centers across North America with a unique purpose, being your one-stop service shop. A holistic service for the complete unit which exceeds industry standards. Each of these centers provides unprecedented service excellence to perform a flawless diagnosis and quick service on your compressors, generators, and pumps. Our service team takes care of 7 different engine brands, including competitor units. We also provide field service in a 150-mile radius from our service centers, or even further distances if you have a larger fleet that requires our support. Book your service now or partake in our service care plan. We do the rest for you. After many years of productive operation, your reliable Atlas Copco equipment deserves a second life. We take your old equipment or engine into our state-of-the-art service centers and restore it back to its factory conditions. Unlike other regular repair routines, we remanufacture all components and provide 2 years warranty. Most importantly, we care about you and the work you do. Our refurbishment program includes visual inspection of the machines, disassembly of the machine and its engine, repair and remanufacturing of all components, full engine service and refurbishment, assembly, painting and labeling, and final quality assurance testing. Are you looking for a seamless refurbishment experience with 0 machine downtime? With our Atlas Copco Reman program, we immediately replace your old unit with a 2-year warranted remanufactured unit, providing the maximum value for your old compressor. Our rolling inventory of exchange units provides 0 machine downtime and continued cash flow for your business. We also offer Reman and refurb unit financing programs to provide you with options and flexibility. As productivity and reliability is our promise, our 2-year warranty is backed with 100% production efficiency. With everything we do, we believe in improving your operation's safety and productivity, increasing your uptime, and reducing your cost of ownership. Atlas Copco, your reliable partner.